cars for very long. We're about to see what the 350 do. What that 350 do?
It burns tires. That's what it do.
Man, I feel like I got hella boogies in my nose.
Me too, actually. I was literally thinking the same thing at the same time.
Boogie City. Is this my helmet? Shit, I probably should have grabbed it before. Oh man, I should have left my glasses.
Go for it, man.
Yeah, I got so much hair, it's like a damn pillow on this bitch. Slingshot engage. The first turn, I don't know what the fuck I was thinking.
I know, yeah, you're like flopping around and shit.
I was like, man, I got time. This shit not gonna kick in.
Peace out, bro.
2 seconds in, I'm like, yeah, we already in the turn, all in his way with the shifter.
My wheel is just slowly moving more and more left when I'm going straight.
Probably
it was straight this morning, and it's like slowly, and I was done. Cool down tire a lot.
It's the street videos. They have video on video after both these cars.
Yeah, the wheels look pretty good. That's what I was noticing. That's why I wondered.
No, I'm surprised that Tome ain't come by yet.
What?
Like your favorite 350 ain't come by yet. He must be out of tire.
Tome? Hopefully his exhaust fell off.
I definitely wouldn't want to.
Alright, y'all. We are officially at.
We're officially almost out of time. Hey, here's the
I keep forgetting.
almost the outro because that's literally the last time.
So,
That lasted like 30 minutes.
this happened. You know, man, Greg out here killing tires. And, yep.
I need to do
There's a random 350.
No.
Oh, it's not 350 no more. But they're like doing donuts over here. Whew, I ate too much Panda Express. I'm out of breath. It's a little windy.
Wait for the tow man. You just got to keep it running until the tow man comes.
What's that?
The exhaust on that blue 350.
Oh, God.
It's got the titanium.
Jesus, that
Tome.
thing is literally.
Dude, this is way too loud.
That's Tome. Bleeds your eardrum.
Dude, I have to plug my ears when he drives by.
Dude, the guy at the front, every time he comes by, he plugs his ears.
Really? Yeah, dude. When he's sideways right here, I'll plug my ears too. That shit is way too loud.
I ate too much Panda, dog.
Really?
Yeah, I'm stuffed. And you know when you get that feeling, you drink a whole bunch of water after you eat.
Sure. I'll pull some.
Yeah, then you just feel like a slug the rest of the day.
Yeah, I haven't ate in 24 hours, so.
Dude, did you see that the tires blow off the purple car, the FC?
Was that the tire?
Yeah.
It sounded like the rim.
So just to give you guys a little background of what happened today.
What happened? There's nothing crazy has happened.
nothing really. Just going balls to the wall. You know, got a couple cool cars out here. One of them is out right now. It's a FC RX-7 Mazda. Sounds like a LS swap.
Which one?
The Mazda. The
Oh,
FC.
that one?
Yeah. Yeah, he's been doing
I
pretty
think they're
decent.
all LS. And the Corvette's obviously
Yeah,
LS.
they got
I'm
a-
pretty sure the yellow 240's LS too.
What's that? C5 Corvette?
Yeah.
And a little C5 out here drifting. He's trying to build up hype for the C8 coming out.
That's Frito, I think. Is his name on Instagram.
Oh, spin out. Damn, they are going through some tires.
Dude, it's like washing out like crazy. Like my front tires are shot. It's just like the whole car's just staying sideways.
Man, I don't know. I'm just over here sliding all over the place. Like,
There's like no front grip at all.
and they got like little baby pads on my thighs. Snug me in.
Seems alright. Like the suspension seems fine. I feel like it's gotta be my tires.
Thank God I got a helmet on. I probably had a severe concussion right now. Damn, somebody fender liner came out. I was like, oops. Man, oh man. Welcome. We're in Delaware. We're now at Dover Raceway and Dover Internet. I don't know what this place is. I'm just so hurt right now. Rushing to get back here because my dumbass left my recorder on the road because I was recording audio. I get about 30 minutes down the road and I'm like, you know what? I left my recorder. So I book a U-turn, get pulled over, get a damn ticket because I didn't fully stop at a stop sign. I tell the cop, I'm like, yo, I'm just trying to hurry up and get back, because I got some equipment that I left, and I just would love to go get it. And of course, you know, respect to officers, but this man literally took like 30 minutes to give me a damn ticket. So that kind of pissed me off. Let's just take a look on how today went. Enough with my depressing story.